Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare CBD toilet versus a traditional toilet. We'll delve into a unique concept, exploring how a hypothetical CBD-enhanced toilet experience might differ from what you're used to. Our goal is to help you understand the potential features and benefits of each, so you can consider which option aligns best with your personal preferences and needs. Imagine a toilet designed to enhance your well-being. A CBD toilet could hypothetically integrate cannabidiol through various means, perhaps with a bidet function delivering CBD-infused water, or even a subtle, calming aroma. The idea is to transform a routine bathroom visit into a moment of relaxation, potentially reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm with each use. In contrast, the traditional toilet is a cornerstone of modern sanitation, designed primarily for efficiency and basic hygiene. These familiar fixtures reliably perform their essential functions, often incorporating water-saving technologies, such as using only 1.6 gallons per flush. Their straightforward design ensures easy maintenance and a consistent, no-frills experience that has served us well for generations. When choosing between these two concepts, consider what you value most. The hypothetical CBD toilet aims for an elevated, relaxation-focused experience, while the traditional toilet excels in practical, reliable sanitation. Your decision might depend on your budget, your interest in innovative wellness features, and whether you prefer a straightforward approach or a more indulgent bathroom environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.